Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing the Beyblade Burst, or Surge, or Speed Storm unboxing. So yeah, this is Super Hyperion H6. Gorgeous. This is the recolor. So yeah, I like this launcher. Here's the back. Spins right. D60 MSD 83 disc and TSP07M. So yeah, and here's the balance attack. So yeah. Oh god, ow. Look at that. That's actually... Okay. Here's the code. This is where you can get this one, and I'll be putting this on the normal one once I get it. It's small. It's really tiny. Oh, that's heavy as hell. Pretty cool. No rubber, but that's okay. Metal. Yeah, metal. Stay tuned for test battles with these guys. And that's actually a lot better. So yeah. That's not a decent amount for this guy. This is gonna be a short video. That's a really gorgeous bay though. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye. Here's the code again. Bye.